Welcome in a quick tutorials. In this video I want to show you how we can add a circle in Hitfiml Express 12, and it's really pretty easy. All you have to do is just Google and write there circle transparent. When you have it, download for example this one. Let's open image in a new tab, save image as, voila, 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 desktop. Just paste it to your media. I have it already here. Take it, paste it on your video. Now click on it like that, and let's go to controls. Let's make it smaller so we can actually see that. Let's paste it again to the video, and you can play around it as much as you want. You can make it shorter, bigger, transform it, and the quality is staying the same. So yeah, that's kind of it, how we can add a circle in Hitfiml Express 12. Thank you very much. Goodbye.